Hello, welcome to Chapter 27, Part 3, Bootstrap Media Object List, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session, we are going to learn how to create a list of Bootstrap Media Objects. To understand that very clearly, let me jump into next slide. So, these first two sentences we have discussed in our early two sessions. They describe you about what is Bootstrap Media Object. Okay, and in this session, we will be learning like how to create a list of media objects. I repeat, in this session we are going to learn like how to create a list of media objects. So in order to create a list of media objects, Bootstrap is going to provide us one important class, that is media list. Okay, and here comes the description. It tells you like this media list class, it is used to create a list of media objects or nested media objects. So what do you mean by nested media objects? So to understand that very clearly, what I'll do is I'll jump into my YouTube channel Ankpro Training. To this video, someone has commented. You can observe here. Okay, Smith K. Gupta has commented asking some doubts regarding this content in this video. So Ankpro Training has replied to that, and similarly there are multiple comments going on here, and this entire thing we called as a comment thread. Okay, how do I create this comment thread exactly like this? So it's very simple, and this comment thread can be created using this class, that is media list. So let me jump into my Visual Studio and let me start coding to achieve this comment threads. So it's very simple. Let me jump into my Visual Studio, and here I have a piece of code. Okay, now let me push this page to the browser, and this is how it renders it. Okay, here we have three Bootstrap media objects. Okay, now how do I create a nested media objects? It's very simple. So in order to create that, what I need to do is first I need to take an unordered list. Okay, to this unordered list, as per the discussion, we need to add a media list class, because right now we are going to create a nested media objects. In the sense, we are going to create exactly like this, like these comment threads. So what I'll do right now is I've added like on the unordered list. To that unordered list, I've added a class called media list. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to cut and paste this complete div inside this unordered list. And keep in mind, unordered list will not allow any other element other than list tag. So instead of div, what I need to do is I need to enable the list tag. So now the green squiggly went, and now when I push this page to the browser, okay, it renders like this. Fine. Now how do I create a nested object list, nested Bootstrap media object? It's very simple. For example, Sham has asked a question like how can we create a series of tweets, blog comments using Bootstrap? So Sham has to reply to Ram. Currently it is Sham, I'll make it Ram, and is replying to Ram in the sense is replying to the question what Sham is asked. So it should come inside the comment thread of Sham. So how do I do it? It's very simple. This one, what I'll do is I'll cut it, okay, and I'll paste it inside this media body. Okay, why? Because now if I paste it inside this media body, we are going to create a nested media object. So I'll paste it here, Control S, and here I'll change the name to Ram, and the image also, I have an image in my solution explorer telling like Ram, so I've added that. Okay, fine, and it is replied on 16th, not the 15th day. Control S, and when I go back and when I refresh, you can observe here Sham has asked a question telling like how can we create a series of tweets, blog comment threads using Bootstrap, and Ram has replied to that. Okay, this is called the comment thread. Okay, and this comment is encrypted inside the comment of Sham. Okay, this is what we call a nested media object, and this demonstration what we have done, it resembles this. Okay, this is how we can create. Suppose now if I wish again Sham to ask question again to Ram, or how do I do it? It's very simple. What I need to do is I need to copy this div again, Control C, then now I have to paste within the media body of Ram. So I'll go to end, now I'll paste it, Control V, Control S, coming back and refresh. You can observe again this is a nested media object. Okay, Sham has asked a question, Ram replied it, and again Sham is asking a question. Okay, this is very simple. And now I have to create this one, Play Store Ninja. Yes, said thanks. So what I'll do is, this is what it's already there, but we have to place it in the correct manner. So how do I do this? It's very simple. This is the last content present here. Okay, and this one is someone, Ram and Sham, commenting as finished. Now this new person is commenting. So what I need to do is, let it be Sham itself, not a problem. What I need to do is I need to cut this div. Okay, Control X, and I have to paste this in this unordered list. Okay, since unordered list only allows the list elements, so instead of div we need to add a list item. Okay, Control S, coming back and refresh, you can observe this is what we call a nested objects. Okay, list of Bootstrap nested objects or nested objects. Okay, this is what we learned in this session, like how to create a media list. Okay, or nested media list. Okay, and we also saw a beautiful demo. And finally, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training, and you can also like our Facebook page visiting these URLs. You can also follow us on Twitter. For further references, visit our websites, and we are on LinkedIn too. Again, last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.